Hi, Mr. N. I don't know if you remember, but...
Nice try.
And you are?
His daughter.
I see. Well, I'm... What?
Don't even try.
Who said I was?
You're a desperate musician who just walked quite a few miles to find success. I can pretty much do the math.
Okay. Well, looks like I have a long walk back then.
To where?
Motel.
Well, enjoy your stay.
I will. No luck?
You could say that.
Same here, man. Name's Eric.
Rico,
Nice to meet you.
how far did you get?
The door? You?
Same. Man, what makes someone like that so bitter?
Well, he hasn't done much in a while.
Yeah, but he's a legend.
Yeah. But also human.
So what's your story?
Parents hate me. Kicked me out. The usual. You?
Runaway here.
Why?
Well, when you're trapped in a place with no love, that's a pretty easy decision. You know, it's either that or option number 2.
Which is?
I'll catch you later.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did that other kid stop by? You know, Rico?
Oh, you mean the illegal?
What?
Don't worry about your competition. He's long gone.
How?
How do you think?
You.
Good guess. Can't have people like that coming around. Gotta send a message somehow.
So you ruined someone's life.
It's from my dad. Okay, you would have done the same.
He could have helped him.
True. He tried real hard to get through the front door. So I see you're trying again today. Daddy's asleep right now, so I suggest you try another time.
What are you?
I'm a realist. This is not a fun world, Mr. Walker. You of all people know that.
What do you mean?
But did you think going out on your own would make the memories go away? Everyone has a past, Eric. In today's world, it's a lot easier to find things out about people. So tell me, when was the last time you talked to your own mommy and daddy? Welcome to the real world, Eric. In the real world, no one cares if you have a dream. Everybody wants to be somebody, but not everyone can, no matter how good you are.
Oh, Dylan. Good set.
Thanks. Same to you. I'm good, thanks.
So what are you, part of this crew? Trying to make something out of yourself?
How'd you guess?
Well, Henry Wren really isn't a whispered name around here.
I kind of guessed that. So I take it you just dropped in?
Not really.
So I really don't have to tell you about his daughter, do I?
Who, Heather?
Yeah.
I'm sure she still isn't that bad. You know, despite the fact that I never even got to the front door. I learned quite a bit. Heather? She could put on quite the facade when she wants. You know, having a father like Henry Wren, she has everything in this world with what she really wants.
And that is...
Anything in the world that can trump money. You know, I've been to that house. I've been to that house 3 times. And by the 3rd time, I realized the game that she plays. You know, when you have nothing to lose, kid. I lost the love of my life to a bitter old man who doesn't see anybody. And my love for music suffered for it.
But what am I supposed to do?
Let it go. Let this go.
And what then?
Good evening. Gonna give me a little concert, are you?
You could say that. Tell me, Heather. How did you get to be so unpleasant?
Years of practice.
And neglect.
What are you doing? What?